So, today we will learn how to make this type of effect in DaVinci Resolve. This is trending on every social media platform. So, there are many ways to make this effect. In this video we will make it by keyframing method. First of all, record your video like this. I can't show my face, but you can use same technique in your face cam video. Now open the video clip in Fusion page. Let me show you the basic idea behind this effect. If we apply any effect, or change the color of our clip, for example by using this color corrector node, and then add rectangle mask on the effect, you can see the effect is visible only inside the mask. Now if we apply another effect, we can use the same mask. But now the problem is that, we cannot control its corners individually. So, we have to use this polygon mask. Now with this polygon node selected, add 4 points, 1 point for each finger. And then close the mask. Now we can control this individual point. So, the whole process is simple. Just go to the first frame and set the location of points on these fingers. Then go to the next frame and adjust these points according to the location of each finger. Do this frame by frame for the whole video. It will take some time. By mistake, if you add another point, you can use Ctrl+Z key on the keyboard to undo this. And you can turn on this modify only button. Now further new points cannot be added by mistake. So, after adding keyframes on all of the clip, your effect will look like this. Let me show you the clip that I made earlier. Now you can use the same polygon as a mask of another effect. So, apply effect, and use the same mask. I know this takes a lot of time, but in part 2 of this video, I will show you how we can use tracker to track the movement of the fingers and connect the polygon to them. Thanks for watching, see you in part 2 of this video.